Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how to send data from one screen to another screen in MIT App Inventor. Here we see the example first. So here you can see that's my app here, right? So I have to put some value here, right? So that one you can see here is screen 1. Here you can see in the top, right? So I'm going to put some value here. Okay, and this data from screen 1. Right? Now let's click on this button, send data, okay? And here you can see that one is screen 2 and this data from screen 1. That's our second screen, screen 2, okay? Let's click on this back button. This will redirect us to screen 1 again, right? So that's very easy way to transfer our data from one screen to another screen, right? So here we go. So we need to click on start new project here. We are using here MIT App Inventor, okay? So just type here data transfer, okay? Click on OK. Now that's my first screen here, right? You can see here screen 1 and here you can see screen 1 option. Now you need to click on add screen option and here is screen name. That one is here another screen. So this one is screen 2, right? And just click on OK. Fine. So you can see here that one is screen 2 and that one is our screen 1. Now we have to transfer our data from screen 1 to screen 2. Now I'm going to take one text box here. Okay, so I'm using a one text box and make this one with its fill parent. Okay, and I'm going to take one button here to send data, right? So just rename this button and send, just type here send data like this and make this with its fill parent. Okay, and I'm going to change this background color of my screen to something fine. So you can see that one is a text box and that one is button. Click on screen and you can make this one in a center, right? Like this. Now, whenever someone type here some text, we have to transfer this text in the another screen. Now go to the block section and here we need to initialize one variable. Initialize variable and that one is name is fine and define this text as a null like this one, right? And whenever someone click on the button, it means button 1. When someone click on the button, then we have to set this name value, set global name value to text box 1 dot text, right? This one like this, and then click on the control option and here you can see open another screen with its start value, right? Just drag and drop this here. Then we have to open another screen. It means just copy and paste this text value here like this and type here another screen name. So my another screen name is screen 2 and start value, it means we have to get the get global name, right? This one value like this. Okay, so we get here value from the text box 1 dot text and we will transfer this value to another screen. Fine. Now that's our design. Now go to the another screen. In this screen we have to display that one value. Okay, so how we can do this? So simply I'm going to use here one label and change this font size to 20. Okay, and that one label name is value or something, right? Now let me just go to the block section, click on block and click on screen 2 and whenever screen 2 dot initialize, drag and drop this block, then we have to get variable value. So click on variable and initialize here global variable and this should be anything, okay? Anything like name, name2 or anything, and click on this control and you will find here the start value. That one is get start value like this. Drag and drop this here. Okay, so we are getting the value. Okay, so this will set value as a name 2. Fine, and then we have to display this value in label 2. So set label 1 dot text should be get global name value like this. Simple, right? So let's run this app and how it's work. And wait, we have to make it screen 1. Then let's run this app. Okay, I'm using your emulator to run this app. So you can see that's our text box, right? So just put here like good news, right? And then we need to click on this button, send data, and you can see screen 2, that one, and that one is good news. Okay, so we are getting this good news data from the screen 1. Let's we have to make here one back button to go to the screen 1. So just click on, go to the design here and drag and drop one button and just click on this, rename this button to back, go to the block, click on the screen, sorry, in button. Whenever someone click on this button, we have to move and click on this, just type here open another screen, this one, call this and click on text and name your screen. So we have to open our screen 1 like this, right? Go to the screen 1, refresh, and let's see how it's work. Now I'm going to change the value of this text box hint. So put some value, here like this. Okay, so it will be nice. Go here, put some value here. Now I'm going to put, this is Saurav from screen 1, right? Let's click on the send data. This will open another screen. Here you can see, hi, this is Saurav from screen 1. Click and you can see a screen 2 and click on back button. Then this will open our screen 1, right? So that's very easy way to connect two screens and transfer the data between two screens, right? Okay, so that's all about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.